In this video, we are going to navigate post logout page with redirect URI options. As we can see the last video, when we click the logout page, it navigates to unknown page. So we can see the set the redirect URI options in the identity server config class. So let's take an action now. We have already set the post logout redirect URI's configuration before these videos, but let me check again. Let me close this one and I would like to see the configurations. Go to identity server and go to the config class. We have configured our operations in here, and I will show something in here. When we are creating a client about the MVC client, we have already set the post redirect URI when we are creating our client, right? But we can see the functionality if we remove this configuration. Let me comment this line of codes and see what's happened when we are hitting the logout button, right? So let me start the application, and now I am going to show you without this configuration when we are clicking the logout button what we are going to see. Okay, we have already logged in the system, so I am directly click the logout button. Yes, as you can see that there is only random logout button and we cannot return to our main page now. But it is not useful. It's not a real world application, right? So it should be somehow we are going to redirect the user for the actual application. So that's why it is not acceptable for us. So in order to configure to redirect the main application, we should uncomment this line of code. So this line of code provide to redirect the application. So let me run the application again and see how is redirect the actual application. We are going to add this code again, post logout redirect URL, and see the return URL now. So this code provide to redirect logout page, right? Let me move this page. Let me log in. Control C, Control V, and let me click the logout button. Yes, now once we are adding the post logout redirect URI parameter, there is one more line in here. This line it said that when we are clicking this here button, it will return to our Movies MVC web application, because now it is remember our main application, so we can navigate to back to our main application, right? It is a very good feature. So we are going to make some further implementation in here. Identity server can also provide to redirect main page automatically when logout happened. So let's see this configuration, how we can automatically redirect to our main application. For that purpose, we will examine the identity server page scaffolding classes. So go to account options class, which generating from the identity server. Let me see the quick start folder, account folder. You can examine this account controller in here. Also there is a account options class. So in this class existing the configuration about the login logout operations. So see the automatically redirect after sign out property in here. If we set this value as a true, and now we can test our logout button operation. Let me set the true and see what happens when we run the application. So it's good to examine these scaffolding classes when you have time, because there is good options, and also you can understand of the identity server for underlining project codes. So let me come here now and let me log in again, and let me username and password. Okay, now once I am click the logout button, I will expect that this logout button automatically redirect to our movies client page, not open the any identity server for logout page. Yes, as you can see that it is show the identity server for logout page, but after that suddenly it is redirecting to our main page. So by this way we can manage our logout operations by changing this property from the account options C# class. So as you can see that these account options also there is additional information, additional configurations you can set true or false. So we have finished our section now. In this section we have integrated our MVC client application. This is the MVC client application and the Ident server for application with providing the OpenID Connect and authorize the movies page. So now we can continue with the consuming protected API resources from the movies client project. We will see it for the next section.